Hey, John here from Web Agents. Just making this video for you to show you how to get the most out of your Manychat leads that come in through the Facebook ad campaigns, through Messenger, and some of these may even come just from visitors to your own Facebook page that are contacting you through Messenger, and then because they've put in a trigger keyword, the bot goes into effect. But most of these leads that you get coming in through Manychat are going to be from the Facebook ad campaigns. Alright, so again, I'm making this video because I've noticed in speaking with some of you that you're not really understanding how to maximize the engagement with the leads that you have coming in, and so which is extremely important, because so I'll show what I mean. So for example, the live chat previously, and the settings have been changed, by the way, to help you. Live chat previously has been people that have gone through the bot and they've done what they're supposed to do, like they've booked an appointment, or they've given their details, like their phone number in the email, and answered all the questions and so forth. But there's a lot of people that actually start engaging with the bot, and here in audience, by the way, up here in audience, they start engaging with the bot, so that they actually become a lead, but they don't continue. Like they might answer one question or two questions, three questions, but they don't go through and do the whole sequence and book that appointment, or give their name and give their phone number and email address and so forth. So there's actually a lot of people in audience that you can be engaging with that some of you might not realize that you should be engaging with. So what we've done is we've changed it now so that every time now someone begins to engage with the bot, like they click on that first quick reply, or they basically, as soon as they become a Manychat audience or subscriber or leader, whatever you want to call it, different terminology, they automatically also go into live chat. Okay, and not only that, but you're going to get a notification, an email and or messenger notification telling you, hey, you've got a new subscriber. It's the same thing, new subscriber, new lead, whatever Manychat audience person, whatever you want to call it. So, and you'll also notice in the message, it won't just say, hey, you've got a new subscriber, but it'll also say, hey, give them a few minutes to engage with the bot sequence before you start having a conversation with them. So again, some people that come in, they're going to go all the way through, right? They're going to answer all the questions and all that, but many are not. Many don't. They start, and for whatever reason, they get interrupted, or whatever the reason. Maybe the bot's not working properly. That does happen sometimes. They don't continue with the bot sequence. But because now everyone, all your audience, everyone that starts goes into live chat, and you get notified, what you can do is, for those that start but don't continue, if you see after a few minutes they're not doing anything, I'd start a conversation with them, because remember, the sooner you begin a conversation and the sooner you begin engaging with them, the much better the conversion outcomes. Because again, people get bombarded with stuff every day. It's not like they're not interested, but sometimes they just forget, or they're not in the moment anymore if you contact them even an hour, 2 hours, a day later. So ideally, you want to be on top of these leads and chatting with them within the first 5 minutes. Even if they've completed the sequence, even if they've done that booking, they've given you that contact number, whatever the thing is that you've asked them to do, you still want to start chatting with them immediately. Say, hey, thank you so much for booking that appointment, and mention your name too, because that most of them know they're using a bot. We're not trying to pretend to be someone real. So when you start engaging with them yourself, a good idea is to say, hey, so let's say we're engaging with this person here in live chat. So when I start typing, I'm going to start typing like, hi, I would say something like, hi, John here, from, and then your business name, or just hi John here. Thanks so much for joining us on Messenger, and then ask them a question. Something like, what may you decide to respond to our ad, and because you want to know what's on their mind and why they're connecting with you, or whatever's appropriate for your audience. But again, whether they complete the sequence or they've paused, start chatting with them. Let them know they're chatting with a real person, not with a bot anymore, by using your name. And you want to get them talking. So by using these strategies, so by helping you understand what's going on, and by using this strategy, you're gonna maximize the leads that you have coming in through Manychat, through your Facebook ad campaign. And as always, if there's any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Thanks so much for watching this video.